Samoa Love fam, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It's Saturday here in Samoa and we're doing taro delivery. We did taro delivery yesterday and then the taro delivery today. So far it's been looking good and we're just on our way now to drop off back to his home. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. So just finished dropping off Pa here at his house. As you can see there, you know, the kids running to their dad back home. With Pa, he always brings a sack of taro, and I also give him his pay. And part of the reason why, you know, we go the extra mile, especially for people that work for us, is because they contribute a lot to the plantation. So Pa also has kids and he has to provide for his family, so his sack of taro will help feed his children for the week, and also his pay will go to their you know, whatever they need at the house, and also some of the other stuff, things like school bills and stuff. So yeah, it's always about making an impact on other people's lives and being able to support them. So that's one of the biggest things I enjoy about you know, not necessarily farming, but you know, being able to contribute to, you know, especially the people who work for us and their families as well. So Pa's gone now, and he'll be back Tuesday next week. But in the meantime, we also dropped off Wati in the morning. So at the end of the week, because Wati lives with us, you know, he's my nephew, and part of the reason I also give him money for, you know, to go enjoy himself at the end of the week. You know, especially, you know, during the week it's mostly at the plantation. So just trying to, you know, keep positive vibes and a positive environment, you know, with our plantation, because, you know, especially at home as well, because, you know, if you get that positive vibe, you feel a lot better, you know, and it's always good to blow off some steam at the end of the week. But for me, I'm going to finish off the taro delivery and then probably grab some food for the kids and then head back home. We'll check up on the plantation and the cows later on in the day, but feeling pretty tired now because we've been up since morning to get the taro ready. So yeah, see you guys soon in a bit. What's up, guys? So on my last taro order, and then I'm gonna head back to Kua to the wife and kids. I just noticed one of my clients gave me $60 for 2 taro bundles, and I messaged him why, and he said because it's $30 here in the town area. So I went to the market to have a look at the taro, and it's the sizes of the taro are quite small right now. So I think the taro prices have gone up, which is a good thing for us, because as farmers, because that means we'll get more for our for our taro bundles. But at the moment, I'm still selling it at $20, and you can see the size of the taros; they're really huge. So I sell about 4 or 5 taros per bundle, which is about $20. But you can get roughly around 3 taros inside that bundle. at the market for 20 bucks. So I am over putting taros in the bundles deliberately, because as a farmer, I know I'm new to this, but I want the person to have a lot more for his money, because that's where you get that customer satisfaction and you get people to come back and buy again. But if the taro prices go up, which I will be getting more for my money, which will then mean that we'll probably get 30 bucks for our same size taro bundles. So I just wanted to let you guys know, let you guys in on that. And we are on our way to drop off our last taro bundle. But yeah, I think if the taro prices are going up, then it's a good sign for us. But me, I'm still selling it 5 to 6 taros per bundle for 20 bucks, because of I feel bad, and I feel sorry for the consumer end, because they're actually suffering because of the smaller bundles at the market. But I want my clients, especially the loyal buyers I sell to every Saturday and Friday, I want them to feel that satisfaction that they're getting more for their money, at the expense of my expense. But it's all about getting that customer satisfaction, guys. So we'll catch you guys soon. So yeah, guys, that's our last taro bundle. Believe it or not, that's 40 bucks. But if you were to divide this, you could get, so that's 30, or that's 20, it's another 20, that's another 20, and that could be probably here, so that could be 60 bucks. But I'm selling it for 40, so that's only 2 taro bundles there. And that's part of the reason why I still make a lot better, is because I just want people to get that feeling where they're satisfied and they've got a lot out of their money, so which then means that they'll buy again. So yeah, gotta plant more taro. What's up, guys? So on my way to Kwa now, back to the plantation. Oh, not to plantation, but back home. Going there now. Just picked up some food for the wife and kids, some barbecue. There was one of my colleagues had a barbecue going on, so picked up 5 barbecue from them, and that'll be for the kids and the wife and uncle who are waiting for me at home. I just wanted to let you guys know that this is your typical farmer, or I wouldn't say farmer, but anybody roll on Saturday. This is their roll on Saturday, but for farmers specifically, sell taro in the morning, and then once they get the money, quickly buy stuff for the kids and the food for Sunday, and head back home. So most of the money they get is exactly for Sunday, and lunch for the kids the following week. So we sold taro yesterday, and we made about 400 bucks, and then another taro today, and made about 200. So that's about $600 in 2 days. But also most of that money does actually go to what we need. So we at the moment breaking even, not necessarily making a profit, but this is why you have plantations, is so that when you need money, you sell taro, and get the money to use for things we need at home. So that money is going straight to our family stuff. We've got some family priorities that needs money, and then after that, I've also got my dad's 74th birthday, 74th, 74th, and my son's first birthday. So we have a tradition in our family. We don't celebrate birthdays during the weekdays. and we only celebrate them on Sunday. And part of the reason why we do that is because the major reason why we do that is because to save money. Because if you celebrate Sunday for Samoan families is where you buy a lot of food, so there's a lot of food on Sundays. So if we celebrate it during the weekdays, you're looking, that's a lot of money spending on a weekday just for food, because it's mainly just food. But if we leave it a Sunday, then we can just celebrate it with our normal food that we buy, and maybe an additional, menu. But for the most part, we see it as a way to save money. So it's kind of cheap, but that's what you got to do. So this, my father told me that, don't celebrate birthdays during the week. Always celebrate them on Sundays so you can save money. And given that I've got a lot of kids, I think that's a very good advice. So Sunday we will be making some food, but it will be mostly for the birthdays. We'll catch you guys soon. Just having a little snack I bought. So this is kekepua. This is $1, and I'm sure some of you may be familiar with kekepua. Oh man, look at that. Woo! It's good. So it's just meat rolled in a bun. Hope you like it. So about 12 minutes away from home. The usual time it takes to travel from town to home is about 30 minutes. It could take an hour depending on traffic. But I just wanted to, tell you guys, even with the amount of money we're earning from the plantation at the moment, you can average about 1,000 a week. 600 to 1,000. If we've had a good week, we can make 1,000. But slow week such as this, made about 600. Even with that amount of money, based on the current cost of living, I think inflation is about 11% at the moment here in Samoa. So basic food items are about 11%, which is quite high, and other food items are a lot higher. But this 600 is nothing, on the current cost of living. So the cost of living plus gas. So this week alone, I spent about $300 on gas alone, which is a lot of money just for gas. And that's another reason why it eats a lot. Expenses eat a lot at the money we make from this. For me, it's quite. I'm quite fortunate because I'm using my car to sell to transport my taro. So, but other farmers here in Samoa, which I know for a fact, don't have their own cars, and sometimes have to take their produce on the bus. So once they take it on the bus, they're quite limited in the amount of taro they can make, which is understandable. Why some farmers, limit their taro in their bundles to about 3, just to get more money, so that they can have enough money to take back home and buy food for the week. So, yeah, it's not an easy life, but the goal is to get better at it. And once you increase the amount of income streams you have, I think you start to feel that financial freedom that business people feel. But even business people don't sleep well at night because of the many parts moving in their businesses. But why I chose farming, especially here in Samoa. I mean, farming is a great business, but the reason why I chose farming as a business is because people love to eat. Samoans love to eat, and that's a demand that'll never go away. So you're sure that every time your product will sell, which is food. But for the most part, other businesses, well, I'm not sure. I haven't done it. But farming, so far, every week I get about 600 minimum, apart from my usual salary. And I think that's enough. But you gotta start diversifying your income streams. And that's hopefully we can diversify. But in the meantime, the goal is to go specific and then diversify. So once we generate enough money from farming, we can start to diversify into other things where we can earn income. Ano your father? Ano? Yeah. Ano your father mo lang? We just arrived at home, guys. I'm gonna put the car to rest. I'm gonna get some rest, and then we'll see what happens when we wake up. Eddie. Welcome back, guys. Just woke up. We're gonna clean the chicken. We caught some more chicken. Mostly the chicken that we're interrupting in the last episode. We caught 3 of them, and we're gonna clean them up now. First, I need to make the fire to boil the water so that I can take off the feathers. chicken done. Second chicken. And then one more in the bag. Try to make it humane as possible by quickly choking them and breaking their neck, just so that they don't feel the pain. As you can see, guys, it's not a pretty sight, but you know, it's part of life, and that's why, you know, you have chickens, is to use them. You don't have money to buy food, and also, you know, it's the high cost of living. You know, might as well start using our chickens. We have about close to 40 chickens, but we don't keep them in a confining or a fence. Just let them roam around. They know time to come here, so when it's time to eat and stuff. So yeah, it's not a pretty sight, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do to live. So we've got the fire going on. As soon as the water boils, then we'll dump in the chicken just to remove the feathers. Mr. Cowboy 685. I learned funny. Shh. I learned funny. So, just chilling with Wati now. As I mentioned earlier, Wati, today's his day to relax. So Wati was in town today, just got back. I think he went to movies with his girlfriend. Roki Fangariu. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, so Wati has a girlfriend. Ang ay mafayang fay si Xiaoqing. Yeah. Palan. Yeah. Hey. So, gonna dip the chicken inside the hot water now. So finished on the first chicken. Over there working on the second chicken. It started on the third chicken. I'm gonna clean it a lot better afterwards. But most of the feathers are off. And then we're gonna gut it. Once you put it in the hot water, the feathers come off really easily. Sorry guys, I can't record and do this at the same time, so I'm gonna quickly have to clean this and then get back to you. So we're gonna clean up the chicken. Pull out the we're trying to break off all the membranes and then pull out the guts all in one go. There you go. Viewer discretion is advised. The chicken, they're still making noises. Do that for all 3 chickens now, and then throw them in the fridge. And yeah, that's us for tonight. So Loyle just cleaning it up, and got the guts there on the barbecue for the dogs. Not gonna lie, that actually smells a lot better than any barbecue I've smelled. It actually smells like a real barbecue. So usually we would eat the heart and other stuff, but there's no time. But we used to put them aside and, you know, save it later for maybe like a soup or something. But you know, the dogs want to eat, so we're going to give it for the dogs after we barbecue it. The smell is amazing. So yeah, Lloyd finished cleaning up the chicken, and we're going to put them into the fridge for tomorrow, Sunday tuna. Take it easy. So guys, gonna sign off now. I'm gonna go eat. I think we've got Lisa Fapopo and Coco Samoa ready for dinner, and then yeah, get some rest for tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed our video, and really appreciate the support again, guys, for our channel. See you guys on the next episode. Until then, God bless.